What if I told you this guy would be a millionaire in just 3 years? Yes, this sus looking guy. Would you call me a liar for saying so? I promise that I'm not, and by the end of this video you will witness the rise of the king of South African YouTube. So Ghost Hlubi has been purchasing cars left, right and center, and even a 10 million rand mansion. But this all comes down to his YouTube channel, where he achieved success. So Ghost Hlubi started YouTube 3 years ago and has amassed over 490,000 subscribers to date. He is one of the biggest stars in South African YouTube, so there is no doubt he's making a lot of money from that title. In my last video, I said Ghost Hlubi is making just over 200,000 to be exact. So I'm going to be breaking down 4 of his main income streams real quick. The first income stream is YouTube AdSense, and it stands alone as his biggest income stream. The RPM, or in simple terms, the revenue a creator gets per 1,000 views in South Africa, is 75 rand. And Ghost Hlubi averages 2 million views per month. This essentially means he makes about 150,000 rand from his YouTube channel. His second in source of income is sponsorships.
Hi, there's a lot going on here. Hi.
He is mainly sponsored by the brand Sneaker Couture SA, which specializes in sneakers, hence the name. And if he uses the common grade, which is known as the 10% rule, this means you would take 10% of your following, and that is the amount that you are going to charge the brand. In Ghost Hlubi's case, he has a channel following of about 500,000 subscribers, meaning he would make about 50,000 rand from sponsorships with a single brand per month. His third income stream is interviews. He recently got interviewed by Defining and also rejected an interview from DJ Spoo, just because DJ Spoo doesn't pay people for his interviews. So I don't have much info on this one, but based on estimates, I think he charges about 2,000 rand per interview. I know this because Ghost ghosted DJ Spoo when he said he interviews people for free. The last source of income would be Forex Trading. Ghost Hlubi mentioned in a video 7 months ago that he does Forex trading, and then it was a tutorial for you people so that you can also make money like him. And he makes about 50,000 rand from the brand which sponsored him, which is Infonox. That's it. This brings the total to 252,000 rand per month. That's a lot of money right there. And anyway, please subscribe and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.